Can poor airflow damage my compressor? Yes, poor airflow can make your compressor overheat, work too hard, and fail early. Poor airflow means the system cannot move enough air across the parts that are supposed to stay cool. When that happens, the compressor may keep running longer because it is trying to do the same job with less help from the fan or vents. That extra work makes heat build up, and heat is one of the biggest enemies of a compressor. Think of it like trying to run while wearing a heavy coat on a hot day, because the machine gets tired faster and wears out sooner. In some systems, weak airflow can also make pressure levels act strange, which puts even more stress on the compressor. A small problem like a dirty filter, blocked vent, bent duct, or bad fan can slowly turn into a much bigger repair. One thing many people do not realize is that compressors often fail not from one big event, but from repeated overheating over time. The best habit is to check the air filter, clear anything blocking the airflow, and listen for weak fan noise before the problem gets worse. A common mistake is thinking the compressor is the real problem when the airflow is actually the cause, so always inspect the air path first. Another thing to watch is a dirty coil or clogged filter, because it can make the compressor seem broken even when cleaning might help. People also ignore unusual cycling, which means the unit turns on and off too often, and that can be a warning sign that airflow is not right, so pay attention and fix the blockage fast. If the system is still struggling after basic cleaning, it is smart to have it checked before the compressor burns out. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.